I'm recording.
Yeah, just try to keep me out of it. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter, but all the connectors are good. I'm taking a picture of every fucking connector. They're all there, none of them are broken. Hood latch, it's a pain in the ass. If you separate it, fine. I labeled some of the stuff in the front. It's actually not that bad to put back in. Son of a bitch is heavy though. There's a lot of it. I do have all the little connectors for it, relays and stuff. I'll make sure they're all attached when I send it out. Goes to the ABS pump. You've seen them all right?
Yeah.
No cut wires, 100% there. That's it.